Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what these are because I've already been into the box, and actually there was a full unboxing and first impressions done. Finished the upload, went back to check the file, and it was corrupted. So that sucks. It happens every now and then, but I'm going to go ahead and do this again just so you guys can see, because I'm excited about these. Thank you so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and some other exclusive benefits, there is, of course, a link down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. As I'm saying this, I'm looking for the stickers I normally show, and they're not here. So, okay. And then also be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So, unfortunately, I'm going to be robbing you guys of my true first impressions because that was on the file that got corrupted. But these are still cool, and I can still give you the whole, you know, the kind of the atmosphere of unboxing. Kansept has nice packaging, and so Kansept knives actually one of the one of the main designers, as far as I understand. I'll give you guys more information when I actually do the reviews. But they were originally with Kaiser, and now they're doing this this Kansept company. And I had heard this name. I'd seen a couple of designs. I was intrigued. They reached out to me on Instagram and said, "You want to take a look at some stuff?" And I said, "Absolutely, definitely." And I gotta say, I was more than pleasantly surprised with these knives. This first one here is the Warrior. This is a thumb stud opener. I opted for the black titanium bolster and then the marble carbon fiber. Fairly thick blade stock, kind of a, I don't know if we're going to call this a subframe lock or a bolster lock, because of, you can see how much of the titanium is present here and where the split is for the carbon fiber. Yeah, the seam is pretty good. It is nice and consistent. It's about the same gap through, so it looks like that was all done intentionally. And then deployment is just wonderful. This guy, I believe, is running on bearings. I didn't take a look. I mean, I'm filming this right after I just realized the other file was corrupted. It looks to be the case. Let me get a different flashlight here. See if we can see. I have these on lockout, so we're not getting, it's not super bright. Let me try just a little bit brighter for you guys. Yeah, I think so. I think that's what we're running. It feels like bearings. In any case, we'll talk more about it in the actual review. This isn't a review. This is just an unboxing. Beautiful knife, very high quality. You can absolutely do the reverse flick. Thumb stud is in the right place. It says Warrior on one side, and then it says S35VN, and then there's a model number there. Nice presentation on this guy. Real nice. I mean, this feels about like it's in the ballpark of the quality I expected, but just a little bit extra. You know, these knives will all be linked down in the description where you can pick them up. But yeah, rest assured, these are definitely high quality knives. Let's go ahead and get this one out here. These are microfiber cloths, and then there's some additional information in there. Lots of, and you get the pouch, you know, so that's kind of cool. This is the Cryo, and I sat around and, you know, after I did the video, before I realized the other one was corrupted, I sat around and flipped this for a little bit, and yeah, this is a nice, so I'm a big fan of the combination flipper thumb hole, right? And that's the first thing that caught my attention, was the placement of that hole is pretty good. You have lots of access to it, whether you want to do the reverse flick or you want to do a thumb flick, right? Easy to disengage, no double clutch or anything like that, and nice and smooth. Absolutely. The one that I opted for here is black with the blue. I'd seen a couple other videos of like the satin, or they almost have like an orange peel textured version of this. And then the satin blade and the bronze hardware. So I wanted to pick up one that I hadn't seen before, and I'm glad that I went with this sort of black tumbled finish. Really nice. Again, nice and solid. Love the blue hardware contrast with the black frame, and then the titanium pocket clip. Really, really cool. This is a nice piece. These are all centered. I love their style of standoff. Really, really cool. All right. And the last one here, which is absolutely my favorite. Oh, go ahead and tolerances on the box are nice and tight. Oh man, this was the one that I was the most attracted to in the picture, and it is also my favorite of the three. This is the Shard, as far as I know. Let me make sure. Yeah, Kansept Shard. This design is very beautiful. Aesthetically, you know, this is definitely the design that caught my attention the most. Opted for the carbon fiber inlay here, and then we have this beautifully tumbled slightly reflect. I've always enjoyed this level of tumbling. It's just a light tumbling that's got some nice reflectivity behind it. Really, really well done. And we have S35VN on this guy as well. I'm not sure where it says that. Oh, yeah, right there. Here's my favorite part, though. Hang on, get my fingerprints off of it. You ready? Oh, yeah. Damascus clip on this. That's cool. I was really impressed with the price point. You know, a lot of times when companies add Damascus or give an option for a Damascus clip or some sort of inlay, the price really goes through the roof. There's this version of the knife is something between $2 and $230, I think. I think you can check down there. There'll be links. You can go look at it. Lots of different versions of each of these, by the way. Different colors, different hardware set. They have a version of this that has the Damascus clip, and then this entire inlay is Damascus, and they want $300 for it, which is a lot of money. But that's an impressive, I mean, getting that much Damascus on your knife at the $300 price point, it's pretty impressive. On top of that, this thing just absolutely flips like a dream. Nice, nearly fall shut action. I imagine that'll get smooth over time. Nice and solid. The only thing that's kind of a bummer is you don't have a lot of access to that hole right there. But as far as like the flipping action and just the general ergonomics, yeah, my first impressions of this are, it's awesome. I'm pretty excited to check out or to talk about Kansept knives and to check more of them out in the future. First impressions on Kansept, as far as I'm concerned, these are great knives. They're made very well. They're made to the same, quality standards as you can expect in this price range. And honestly, it feels like a half step, better. I'm very pleased with all of the little fit and finish aspects of these knives. Very cool. So, Kansept Knives, thank you for reaching out, sending me these knives. We'll be talking about them very soon. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. And check these out down in the description. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.